and thanks for chatting with me, Aunt Nikki. We're going to go over on little tips and tricks that I've learned on bulk.com. That's BULQ.com. This place is the best, in my opinion, so far that I have found. Right now I'm on a fixed income and I don't get a lot. So, anywhere I can save money to earn money, I love to share this info. So here we go. I have signed in already. We're going to pick a category. So my category, we're going to pick toys and babies. Also at the top here, we can shop by condition. So they have new, like new, uninspected returns, scratch and dent, and salvage, newly added. And now I clicked on it, so it's going to open it. And then there's auctions. I don't do auctions. So we're going to pick, again, toys and babies. And I'm a crafter, so I think I'm going to click crafts. And then over here on the right, where it's sort by, I'm going to sort low to high. So here we go. We're going to click on this first one. This is awesome. I mean, this includes shipping at $67. And if you sell each item in this box for $2.68, that includes your shipping, you'll definitely make money. So let's scroll down to the bottom. Now, it'll explain how many on the right. This UPC number is extremely important, and I'll show you why. And then we have these two aren't showing up. A Crayola 1 count, Scribble Scrubby Pets, and Just Play $14.91. I don't know what that is, but there's 2 of each of those. So let me click this. So slime and putty compounds are extremely popular right now. You can kind of peek. These are the items that they're going to let us see. So I'll go slow here. Star Wars just come out with that another movie or whatever, so that lightsaber would go. Okay, I see up here it says all products showing 10 of 21. So obviously these aren't every product. I click this blue tab and it opens up to show you all of them. Now, so the ones that are in blue over on the right, if you click this, watch this magic. Takes you right to the website, well, Amazon, how much they're selling for, and they're available from these sellers. So look at that, $21, and they're charging $6 for shipping. So what I'll do, I'm going to leave that page open, come back to bulk, scroll down to the next one. This is Animal Planet Tiger Wrist Hugger. Okay, I clicked that. Available from these. It's very cute. So they're charged, so it's $10. And let's see. Oh, that one. Let's do the next one. And this is Jurassic World Destroy and Devour. The Rex here. Let's see. Oh, goodness. See, look at that. $60. So I would sell it for $50. As long as it was in good shape. Scroll down. Up, $7 item. $20. $10. Oh, it's currently unavailable. I'm kind of glad this happened. So what I do is I highlight well, there's two ways I can do this. If you don't have a seller's account on Amazon, this is what you will do. You will highlight this. I will open another tab, and I am going to paste, hit enter, and it looks like it's a 30. Well, that one looks bigger. Is it this one? So I'm having a hard time finding it. But I mean, obviously you can, oh, there it is. It's a $30 box. So there's 30 bucks. Let's see. And two more to peek at. And that's $16. And the last one here, $5. Now, obviously, we didn't do them all. But since I do have a seller's account on Amazon, either I would highlight the title, the Lego Movie 2 Plush Rex 2D Clip Accessory, and put it in Google and look like I did for the art kit. But since I do have a seller's account, I'm going to click on here, sell on Amazon, and sign in, inventory, add a product, and it's going to ask me to look up the thing here. I put in the UPC. Oh my goodness. And they don't have any product with that UPC. They want me to make a new one. Okay. I'm okay. But I wanted you guys to check it out. I mean, I bet you if I'll show you what I would do. Okay, it's a little plush accessory. All right. I'll copy it. Let's see. Oh, around the art thing. Need another page. Paste. Oh, it looks like they're $2 at Target. Okay. So what I would do is I grab my calculator. And we'll start with this one, and I'll put $5. And then I close the page, and that one's 15. Close the page. And when I think I said 30. As long as it's in good shape, I'll do 25 plus this little watch. I'll do $5. And that's, of course, if it works. Here's 15 for him. And we'll do $5. And I'll do 50 for that big dinosaur thing. And I'll do $5 for that, just in case something's wrong. And we'll do 15 for that. Oh, we already did that. And $2. So right there, and obviously we didn't do the whole manifest. Oh, well, I got 21 products out of 21. So I didn't do them all. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we looked up half of the products, and I've already figured out we got $142, and it only cost us $67. So we're already getting money. We're winning. We're ahead. So all the other items that I didn't look up, I mean, I absolutely could with the UPC symbol, but You know, I mean, it's all designed on how far you want to look. I did order a case for 70, I think it was 72 or $73. I'm getting it this week, and I'll do a review on the case. Actually, I can show it to you, I believe. My orders. So I was gonna say it's sold out of stock. I seen the blankets obviously right on top, and looks like a bath towel set in yellow, some kind of photo album, and another towel there. And then, I mean, obviously, it was 34 unknown merchandise, general unknown merchandise. I was excited. I did peek and see what was in here. So they got, there's air fresheners, laundry basket, car phone holder that mounts on your dash, and dry shampoo. I actually looked up the dry shampoo, and that was $10. And this is $25. I didn't look up the essentials, but all these products I happen to get from Target. Most of the ones actually I've picked have been from Target. So as you see, I paid $41 plus the $30, $73.13. Let's track the shipment. Woohoo! Gonna get it today. Of course, I'm always making a movie when it's way late in the night. All right, folks. So, it's coming today, so I will do my review of it tomorrow. I will definitely be adding in a video. Thank you for chatting with me, Aunt Nikki, and I hope that this really helped you out, maybe to make smarter decisions or be able to find out if you're saving money or spending way too much money. Thanks again. Bye. Signing off. Sign up or goodness gracious. And I'm not going to erase all that. Like and subscribe. I'm a new YouTuber, and this is my 3rd video, but I plan on doing videos every single day and reviewing as many products as humanly possible. Might just have to change my channel to Reviewer Empire. You guys give me a vote on that. Leave a comment if you think that's a good idea. Alrighty. Signing off. Like and subscribe. Thank you.